Kuki-Zo community took out peaceful rally today at Kuki-Zo dominated areas in Manipur under the banner to expedite Kuki-Zo political solution, union territory with legislature. People who took part in the rally chanted slogans such as expedite Kuki-Zo political solution, we demand separate administration, why not Kuki land and Bharat Mata Ki Jai. The Committee on Tribal Union also submitted a memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah demanding for a union territory with a legislature of Kuki-Zo community. The memorandum further demanded to streamline all Kuki-Zo village volunteers force into a military unit Kuki-Zo regiment and also drew attention towards lack of quality healthcare system in Kuki-Zo inhabited areas.